In the world of smartphones, customization is key, and Apple, known for its sleek and simple approach, has been upping its game lately. With the latest iOS update, Apple has introduced a slew of customization features catering both its casual and pro users. Now, users can truly make their iPhone their own by creating multiple lock screens, tying different home screens to different focus modes, adding widgets, and more. But hey, we get it. Too many options can be overwhelming. Thankfully, iOS has a setting option that allows users to reset their iPhone home screen layout. Here's how you can do it. Launch the Settings app and tap on the General Settings option. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Reset or Transfer iPhone option. Now, select the Reset option, tap on the Reset Home Screen Layout option and confirm. And that's it. Your iPhone home screen layout will now be reset. The best part about using this feature is that it doesn't delete any data on your device, so you can perform it without worrying about data loss. We love that Apple has made it easy for users to customize their iPhones while also providing a simple way to revert to the default layout. Well, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.